Hello all and welcome back to yet another video. This is your programming channel Code Adda and I'm your programming friend Piyush Khan Mishra from Newton School, a programming trainer, a software developer, a coder who wants to share his experience among all. So this is the next video of a Python series from Noob to Pro, and then in this video we will going to deep dive into the list and dictionary functions. Whatever we have covered in the previous lecture about the 6 different data types. Now we will move to the list data type, which is a very important one for making the projects in the near future future videos. So let's go and discuss some of the few basic functions that we can do with the help of the list. So before starting this video, I would like to mention about Newton School. What is Newton School? So Newton School is a platform where you can prepare yourself for the placements for big companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Xiaomi, Nika, Lenskart and all, and students are working here. And the best thing is that you don't need to pay anything before placements, so the zero fee till placement. And if you want and if you get a job of more than 5 lakhs per annum, then only you have to pay some of the little amounts to the company, to the Newton School. Until and unless you don't need to pay anything, you just learn and prepare yourself for the upcoming placements. So this is the best thing that we can do here. So just go and check out the link in the description box below and apply now for free. Okay, so lots of big talks here. So this is the code that we have learned in the last day, in the last video. So just switch and move to the next our next playground. So just create a new playground and I will make it as a list operations. We will do some of the operations in the list. Operations in lists. Clear? So just create it and okay, so our IDE is ready. So what we have learned the list data type. So what is the list? So suppose I want to store the number of days. So days is stored in the like the Monday. Monday. Okay, so make it as a Python 2.851. Okay, so days is equal to Monday, Sunday. Clear? So this is our list: days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. This is the list because it is inside the square braces, if you know that from the previous video. So it is this. So suppose if I want to access the list, I want to print the list, then I will write as print and days. Okay, and just run this command and you will get the output as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Perfect. Now I just want to print only a specific day. Like if I want to print only the Wednesday, then how can I print this one? With the help of the days. So in the Python, in everything, that if you have a list or if you have the array, so the array is stored in the box like this, and we have this box, and suppose we have this box and we have different values which is stored in the block of the code. Okay, have the code blocks. Like in this we have stored the Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and all. And every box has some unique value, or you can say a unique index of every box. Like suppose if I want to do this like okay, so every box has its unique indexes, like and index starts from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. You can relate it with the help of the houses in the society. Like these are the houses: house 1, house 2, house 3, and every house has a different house number, starting from house number 1, starting from house number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will go till the end. Okay, and in the programming language, in the Python, we have the list, and list house number, list number, index number starts from 0. So these are known as the index number and these are known as the values inside the list. So every value has some index number associated with this. So if I want to access this one, this block of value, the value inside this block, then what we need to do, I need to access the index number, I need to access the house number of something. If I want to go to house number 1, 2, 3 and 4, If I want to go to the house number this, then I will go and I will write inside the letter box that house number 2803, house number 51, house number 23. So similarly, if I want to access this block of value, the value of from this block, then I need to decide, then I need to assign the index number of that block. Okay, so if you see here that if I start from Monday, then Monday has the index value 0, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 2, Thursday 3, Friday 4, Saturday 5, and Sunday as 6. So days and every days has a index value. Every value of the list has some index value. So if I want to access the Wednesday, then I will just write print the name of your list, and inside the square bracket write the value of the index. So I want to access the index number 3. So whatever the value is in the index number 3, it will give me the index number 3. So index number 3, what is the value in the index number 3? 0, 1, 2 and 3. 3 पे क्या है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास Thursday. So it will print the Thursday here. And if I want to get the Tuesday, so Tuesday is at index number 1. Like Tuesday is at index number 1, so just write 1 and it will give me the Tuesday as index number 1. So it is quite easy one, you should know about this. And you can also get so the last value has the index, the length of this index minus 1. And if I want to know the index length, then what I would need to write, I need to write and print length days. So just like this, and you will get the 7 is the length of the list. So if I want to access the last one, what is the value in the last, then I will just like length days minus 1 as the index. So if I write the length days minus 1, then I will get the value like Sunday. Sunday is the index at this one. And suppose if I want to length days the 7, then just see that what I will get, I will get nothing, because nothing is present at house number 7. Like we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I like 6, then what is at house number 7? Nothing is house number 7, so we are getting a 0. This is 7 is like length of the days. Okay, these are the indexes values. So now you say that if you have a list of values and if you want the specific value inside the list, then you just need to access with the help of the index. So in the Python, in the list, we have the index number we have the positive index number, and it is not in the list, it is also in the dictionary, it is also in the tuples. So it will work in the list, tuple and dictionary as well. So it is not already from the positive, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the positive ones. So it is not like a positive thing. So if I want to access this, I have another type of values, like I can access with the help of the negative indexes. How I can access with the help of the negative indexes? Just see if I write this like, so negative indexes start from the last one, last value, and the last value is the 1, 6. So it will give the minus 1. This will come to the minus 2, this will come to the minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this is minus 6, and this is minus 7. So if you want to access the value of the list with the help of the negative indexes, then you have to do in the reverse order, and the reverse order starts from the 1. So this is the minus 7, means the minus of n. N, what is n? The total length of the string. So if I want to access like print days, and I want to give the minus of 2, then what is minus of 2? Minus of 2 means from the ending point of ending of the list. So go to the end and give me the value that is present at the index number 2 from the last one. So you will get days minus 2. Okay, so let me print this, comment out this, days minus 2, and you will get the Saturday. Saturday is at the second position from the end, and if I want to get the from the first, then print days and 2. So I will get the third value from the starting and second value from the end, because from starting it will start from 0 and from the ending it will start from the 1, that negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So if you see anything that is from the negative 1, then you I have to switch from the last one. Okay, if I want to access the last index, then I will give the -1 or -2 and I will get it. So this is similar like print days length. Days -1 is same as print days -1. It is similar to this. We will get the last one. Okay, now this is okay. We will get from the indexing. Now suppose I want to access the values which is present in between the index number of this, right? If I want to get this one from 2 to 4, I want two values from this. Like if I want to access Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, these three values, then what I need to do, I need to print like print days 1, print days 2, print days 3. This is a big one, this is a messy one. So we have another thing in the Python like print like days. Suppose I want to like days, and I have to mention from starting index like start till end, and separate it with the help of the colon. Okay, it will include including the first index, starting index, and excluding the ending index. Okay, it will give you the value from the starting index till the ending -1 index. How? Well, let us see. Like if I want to print days from index number 1 to index number 4, like index number 1 is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I need to write 1 2 3 4. Then see what I will going to get. I will get Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, 1 2 3 indexes from 1 2, and the 3 is like ending -1. So this is known as the slicing of the list. What we are getting, we are this is the entire list, and we are getting some small we want to get some small part of that string. This is known as the slicing of this, and you have cut the slice of the whole entire thing and you will get the slice of that. This is known as the slicing, whereas list slicing or string slicing, this is known as the slicing of the list, slicing of dictionary, slicing of tuple. So you need to mention start and end excluding end index. It will give you the index value of the end -1. Clear? Okay. Now print days 1 colon. This is again a method. We mentioned the starting index and we have not mentioned the ending index. What is the ending index? So it will give me all the values from index number 1 till the index number last. So if I want to get like from 2 to last, then I will mention the starting index and no ending index. So I will get Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, whatever will be the end of the string. Now suppose I want the reverse thing. I want the string from starting, okay, from starting and like from 0 to like fifth one, 0 to fifth one. Then I will give it like 0 to 5, and it will give it will give me the 5 value like 0 1 2 3 4. And I can also write like this. Remove the 0 from here, and it will work fine. Like from starting till the index number 5 excluding index number 5. So you will get all the values from starting till the index number 4 in this. So this is again a good thing. Starting and ending, if you mention start and end, that it will give you the in between the start and end. If you only give the start, then it will print from starting to the ending one. If you only give the end, then it will print from the starting to the ending -1 index. So this is a list. This is the list slicing that will be covering. Now we have also learned about the negative index. So let's print like print days and colon -3. Let's see what we are going to get. We will get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So 1 2 3. So we will not get the 3, so we will only get the starting to the index number -4. Similarly, we can do like this. So these are the things that we can do with the help of the list, like list slicing. This is known as list slicing. The topic of the video is like list slicing. So you can do the slicing. You can also do the slicing in the dictionary. You can also do the slicing in the tuple. You can also do the slicing in the string. So we will cover what we will do in the string and all. So I think this is an exciting one. We can do the slicing, and it will also going to help us in making the projects that we will going to cover in the later videos. So I think that's it from this video. It's quite a big one. So that's it from this one. See you guys in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep coding, and do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the website of the Newton School that will going to help you in getting the placement. So that's all from this video. See you guys in the next one. Tab tak ke liye, tab I take care, shabba khair, and stay blessed. Happy coding. Bye bye.